Now the silence calls your name like a fire inside the rain. Memories, a dream we let decay, still refuses to fade away. And I feel you in the dark, like a spark inside my heart. Even if the world moves on, your memory still holds on. Cold reflections on the glass, memories that never pass. Every breath the midnight steals brings back everything I feel. Maybe love is just a game. Maybe we were both to blame. But the night still sings your song, and it tells me I was wrong. Now the silence screams your name through the thunder and the rain. All the love we couldn't save still refuses to behave, and the darkness feels alive every time I close my eyes. Even if the world moves on, your echo still lives on. Fading, say, distant name.